Are you ready? Sly Gittins here with another security tip. I am the senior technical product marketer at RSA Security. So we're going to be talking about what is the value of RSA community, aka RSA Link, and why you should be spending at least 5 minutes of your day reviewing this site to grab some of that critical cybersecurity information. So let's break this training down into two different audiences. You are a current RSA customer, you have to know about community. Why? Because if you own Secure ID Access or Secure ID Governance and Lifecycles, you need to come here to gather some great information. Why? Yours truly is going to start posting his blogs on here, but also the entire RSA team that's part of the Secure ID platform places their thoughts in here with different blogs posts. If you have different questions about how to use the product, or if the product needs some additional features you would like to add to it, you can do that as well. You're going to see RSA ideas for RSA Secure ID. This is where you can submit your own product enhancements, and we can vote as a community together if we should add that to the product. So now RSA gives you the ability to have a voice in where the product should go. You might say, Sylvester, that's all well and dandy, but I don't want to do that. I want to learn about a new compliance. I want to know about GDPR. All your information is here as well. I want to know about what is RSA doing new. But let's talk about what else we have. Biometrics. We could talk about single sign-on. We can talk about our governing risk and compliance platform. Additionally, we could talk about the fraud risk intelligence suite. We could talk about the net witness platform if you want to really get into threat detection, right? You might say, Sylvester, I didn't know RSA had an endpoint solution. I didn't know they had a logs and packet solution. I didn't know they had an orchestrator. What is this? You could come here and gather more information. And the one thing I think that makes this special is that you're not alone. You can go look at other areas of interest for you and ask your questions, and you can rest assured that your question will be answered. So you might say, Sylvester, well, I don't own any RSA products. What about me? How do I use this website? Well, if you want to know, first I will say go back to that homepage, scroll down, go take a look at the blog post. Read one blog that catches your attention. Like the one I like to talk about is UEBA and SIM Evolve, right? What is it? What are people saying about it? Watch it, read it. It's really great content in there as well. You might say, Sylvester, that's great, but what else can you offer me? I want to see some more. You can also get certified on different platforms if you want to know. You might say, what's new with Secure ID? Because they're talking about they will give me free MFA tokens for a year, but I want to see what they actually have in it. Take a look at the one-on-one free training. Take a look. You can watch the 30-minute training right here at Introduction to the Secure ID Access Solution. It's free, doesn't charge you. Great thing about it, it helps you to be able to have the Secure ID certification, right? So if you want to take a look at the different certifications they have here, they also have, so you can take a look. RSA Secure ID. These is right here, the available certifications, the RSA Secure ID Access Certified Associate, the RSA Secure ID Access Certified Professional, and what you need to gather that, right? So you can do that all from right here. But what I wanted to show you is you can learn more about the solution if you're a current RSA customer. This is an essential place, but also if you're brand new to the cybersecurity landscape and you want to learn some more about what's really cybersecurity is all about, take a look at the different blogs here. Take a look at the solution. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Share it with your friends. I'm Sly Gittins, Senior Technical Product Marketer at RSA Security. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to stay notified.